Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about Apple MacBooks, and more specifically, I'm going to show you how to cancel your iCloud storage account on your Apple MacBook. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your iCloud storage account? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you switch over to one of the other storage providers that are offering a better deal, and you want to go ahead and stop that monthly payment for your iCloud storage. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and it's all handled here through your MacBook. And what you want to do is go ahead and click on the Apple icon here on the top left of your MacBook, right here on the top left. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there, and then next you're going to get this drop-down menu. And if you want to go ahead and cancel your iCloud storage on your MacBook, what you want to do is click right here where it says System Preferences. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, the System Preferences screen is going to pop up right here with a lot of different options on how to organize your Apple MacBook. But if you want to cancel the iCloud storage on your Apple MacBook, what you want to do is click on this button here on the top right called Apple ID. It has a little Apple icon next to it. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to get this screen that has information about your Apple ID. But if you want to go ahead and cancel your iCloud on your Mac, you want to click right here where it says iCloud. It has a little cloud icon next to it. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to get this screen right here. But what you want to do is look here at the bottom. It says iCloud storage. So you can see I have the free account, 5 gigabytes. Yours is probably going to be different since you're going to be canceling the iCloud storage payment. And what you want to do is click on this button here called Manage. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to get this screen right here. But if you were looking to cancel your iCloud storage on your MacBook, you're going to look for this button up here on the top right. Mine says buy more storage because I do not pay extra for iCloud at the time. But if you have a membership with iCloud that's being charged every month, you're going to click on the button right here that shows your cancel storage. So it's not going to actually show you a cancel button, but it will give you the different options on downgrading. And if you want to downgrade to the free one, be sure to click the 5 gigabyte option, and that way it stops billing your iCloud storage for your MacBook. So there you have it, guys. But let me go ahead and click on this button and show you what the different options look like. I'm going to click there now. Okay, I went ahead and clicked there, and then as you can see right here, these are going to be the different options you have. So if you have 200 gigabytes of iCloud storage and you want to downgrade to the free option, you'll just choose the 5 gigabyte option like what I have. So whichever one fits your budget. So there you go, guys. That is how you can cancel your iCloud storage on your MacBook. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.